So muna akong i-represent na image, sa mong i-represent ang image as Catholic faith defenders. Most of us here are Catholics. So most of our mistakes is we tend to question the Catholic faith. We tend to question nganong ingani atong ginabuhat, nganong ingani atong practices. Then suddenly kanang mag-question ta. Then ang atong questions, ang most na mali po nato is mag-question ta sa dili pod Catholics. So we Catholic faith defenders cater all the questions regarding all of our practices on the Catholic faith. Example, images, why we pray to Mary, why we pray the Our Father, that's all biblical. So most of our mistakes is we don't question the Catholic faith, why? We don't question the church, why? So we the Catholic faith defenders, the lay Catholic groups, cater all the questions. So kung kamo na mga pangutana, I know kay mostly kanang siguro 90% of us here are Catholics. So wala ta mo ginapugos na muapil sa mga, but nabugos ko sa inyo to question your Catholic faith kung wala ninyo na nasabtan. So maski asa nga dapat na question sa atong Catholic faith is tubago na mo na, because we believe that we are in the truth and the truth is in the church. That found in 1 Timothy 3:15. The church is the foundation and the bulwark of all truth. So the church, nadito ang truth. Nadito ang truth na gibuild ni Jesus Christ, not on the Holy Bible itself. The Holy Bible is necessary, but wala jud na nakabutang dira. Why? Because God, Jesus Christ, founded a church, not the Bible. Even Jesus Christ, wala siya nag-ingon nga pagbuhat og Bible. Ang gibuhat ni Christ kay church. Matthew 16:18, Thou art Peter, and upon this rock I will build my church. Church, not churches. So I am encouraging you all to question, to ask us regarding our Catholic faith. And again, we are here to answer all your worries, questions, doubts, fears regarding your faith. So naalang diri among booth. So we are welcoming you all. Isa lang ni sa Basic Ecclesial Community Youth for Christ and the Wayang Flames for Jesus. That's all, and thank you.
Thank you so much, CFT. Next is from the CC. Ay, nada sila robot. Next is CC. Sorry. I Catholic Faith Defender. Okay. Next is Mas Amicus. Amicus na daw. Nalibog na kung kinsa ko i-follow sa inyo. Sila man daw. Mas Amicus.
Suruy daw ta. Suruy daw.
Right,
Ganyan talaga tayo dito kasi live tayo eh.
Dapat sticker sa CFD.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. I'm presenting to you this Mukna the faculty student, Adventist Ministry of Wilson University. Okay, continue. Sorry, PowerPoint na ako na-prepare. Sige pa, go. Kaya mo yun. Let's proceed to goals of Mas Amigos. Now, the goal of Mas Amigos.
Okay, PowerPoint presentation 50%.
The goal of its organization is to uphold harmonious development of the physical, social, spiritual, and mental faculties among its members. If you join this Masamis, if you observe, our organization is not just mentally alert, but also spiritually alert in all aspects. So we will help you, especially to those Adventist students. You know what is your role here, so you can join us. Our booth is right there. Next is go. Kaya mo yan. Okay, the objectives. This organization shall the following objectives: to foster spiritual, mutual, and concern. So if you